What's up, guys? I gotta be quiet, but today I'm going to show you as fast as possible how to disassemble and assemble the P250 full size. It's no different than the compact or subcompact. It still breaks down the same way, but alright, let's get started. Unload, rack the slide back. As you rack it back, pull up on that, lock it in place, make sure it's unloaded. And then right here, you're going to want to pull that down. And if it's a fairly new 250, it's going to be pretty tough. But just man up, grab your nuts, push down on it. Be careful not to get your finger anywhere near the slide in case it does collapse. Anyways, at that point, hold down on this, pull back on the slide, and it'll come straight out. At this point, you have your lower receiver and your upper receiver. You want to take the buffer spring out, recoil spring, whatever, same thing. At that point, take your barrel out, and that's it. Simple as that.